Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been exploring the Marshmallow Car Insurance for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. The goal here is to help you see whether Marshmallow is actually a good fit for your situation, especially if you are new to the UK, have overseas driving experience, or want a more digital way to manage car insurance. First, let's talk about what it offers. Marshmallow focuses on car insurance for people who move to the UK and struggle with high premiums. This is useful because many traditional insurers mainly look at UK driving history, which can make new arrivals look riskier, even if they have years of safe driving abroad. It lets you use driving experience from any country, not just the UK. You can get fully comprehensive cover and build your policy with extras. That means you can start with stronger core protection and then choose add-ons based on what you actually need, instead of paying for a package that may not fit your driving habits. There is support for both cars and vans, plus a mobile app for managing documents and help. This makes it practical for people who want quick access to their policy, proof of insurance, renewal details, or support, without digging through emails. They also provide guides for newcomers on licenses and rules, which can be helpful if you are still learning how UK driving laws, road signs, insurance requirements, and license rules work. Their service runs with 24/7 claim support and live chat, so it is built around fast digital communication rather than a traditional phone-first setup. Now, let's talk about the benefits and pricing. The main benefit is fairer pricing for recent arrivals, who are often overcharged. On average, qualifying newcomers have saved a few £100s compared with the next cheapest quote. This can be a big deal because car insurance is already expensive for many UK drivers, and it can feel even worse when your international driving record is ignored. For someone who has driven safely for years outside the UK, Marshmallow's approach may feel more realistic and fair. You can spread payments monthly and choose the payment date. That gives you more control over budgeting, especially if you want your insurance payment to match your payday or other monthly bills. The app makes changes easy and keeps everything in one place. Customer reviews highlight friendly support and smooth onboarding. The focus on overseas experience is a big win if you drove safely abroad. For example, if you recently moved to the UK for work, study, or family reasons, being able to show your previous driving background may help you avoid starting from zero. That said, it's not perfect. Savings are based on specific conditions and comparison data, so not everyone gets the headline average. If you have a complicated history, the quote might still feel high. Things like your postcode, vehicle type, age, license status, claims history, and how long you have lived in the UK can all affect the final price. So it is still worth comparing Marshmallow with at least a few other insurers before deciding. Drivers from outside Europe must switch to a UK license after a year, which can affect cover. This is an important detail because license rules can directly impact your insurance eligibility and future pricing. Some people may prefer phone-heavy support, but the service leans on digital channels. Optional extras also add up if you want every add-on. So before buying, check the full policy cost, not just the base price, and make sure the extras you choose are things you will actually use. Overall, this is a strong choice for newcomers who want flexible cover, transparent pricing, and an app-first experience, as long as you compare quotes and check the details. Marshmallow may be especially useful for drivers who have international experience, want simple online management, and do not want to be judged only on UK driving history. But like any insurance policy, the best choice depends on your actual quote, your cover needs, and the small print. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.